in this video I will explain you FortiGate administrator lab setup. So let's go to our lab. So this is our main lab topology, which is designed for the FortiGate administrator training course. And this lab is designed in Eve NG Professional Edition. However, you can use Eve NG Community Edition to do the same things. So let's start. In this topology you will find LAN. We have a LAN, we have a DMZ, we have a WAN and internet, and we have management. Also it provide a remote site environment as well. So let's start. So actually we have two firewall 1 and firewall 2, which are connected to various network segment such as DMZ, LAN, ISP1, ISP2, management, and similarly we have here two different ISP. We have a LAN segment, management segment, and the main purpose is to practice a different thing related to this course, such as routing, net, security policy, security profile, zone-based segmentation, firewall to firewall VPN, remote site VPN, internet access control, remote office integration, DMZ protection, network management, and so on. Okay, so let's start from the firewall 1. And firewall 1, which has internal LAN. Here you can see port 3. This is our internal LAN, and with the subnet 10.0.1.0/24, and devices are connected PC1, PC2, PC3, and attacker. So these three we're gonna use them for the user activity simulation, while the attacker we're gonna use to perform different attack and the security profile to test the firewall. Okay, this LAN switch has just a layer 2 switch. You don't need to configure anything. Let's go to firewall 1 port 4. We have DMZ segment, and DMZ segment we have two VLAN. We have VLAN 20 and VLAN 30, and this is our DMZ switch. Here we will do some configuration. Keep in mind, server 1 subnet is 10.0.2, and here we have 10.0.3 24 subnet both. So here we're gonna do the VLAN testing, zone testing, sub interfaces testing here in the firewall, and the gateway is this firewall, and similarly in the LAN we have the gateway, this firewall. Okay, and here we will host two web servers, server 1 and server 2, to test them from the public cloud. From here we will test these and how to protect them in the firewall. Also we will test the destination net, VIP testing. All those things gonna be performed on these two server and this DMZ zone. So that's why we have this DMZ zone. Now coming to in the firewall, port 1 and port 2, which are connected to WAN 1 and WAN 2. These are basically ISP1 and ISP2. Okay, and the main purpose why we are using two ISP, so that we can do ECMP, which we will cover in this course, policy routing to use different ISP, and we're gonna use the primary and backup route. Suppose if one ISP is down, how to use the second one. Similarly, we will do static and default routing, how to perform on two different route, the priority, administrative distance, all those things which cover here, and also SD-WAN and so many other things. So that's why we have two ISP. This is the main purpose, to provide a redundancy and load balancing scenario, and to test SD-WAN as well. Now coming to the management network. So in management I have 192.168.100. Okay, here we have a management switch. You don't need to configure anything, and this is basically cloud. Okay, so if I right click here, this is management cloud, and the main purpose of this cloud to that I can access this firewall in my browser. This is the only subnet which will be different in your case. You need to find out your cloud subnet, and so that you can access this firewall. The rest of each and everything you can keep the same. Here we have the Active Directory. Okay, and this is out of band management for these firewall. And Active Directory we're gonna configure Active Directory, DNS, NTP, RDS, and so many other things. So that's why we're gonna use this Windows Server 2019. In real world it can be different server, however this is a simulation, so we're gonna use only one server. Now coming to on the remote side network. So remote side network is 10.0.4. so we have remote PC1 and remote PC2, and remote switch are here, and we have a firewall similar like here. Also we have two ISP again, so we can test a different scenario: routing, static, default, SD-WAN, ECMP, policy routing as well on this remote side as well. And this is the management. 210 is here, and this firewall IPS 200. And in the middle we have the pfSense. This is basically pfSense, which basically provide the different internet. Okay, so the port 1, you just need to connect your cloud, okay, and it will net them and will provide different ISP for you. Okay, and it's a pre-configure, you don't need to do anything. The only thing is, if you want to use them, you need to choose 6 interfaces, then it will work. Okay, because I configure 6 interfaces, so then it will work. The first interface is this one, and 5, it provide 5 different segment. Even you can change these IP, these, okay, and by the way, I provide the username and password. You can access them from your PC, from internal PC. Just type 192.168.1.254 and you can access this firewall in the browser. And if you want to change anything, yes, you can do it. This is our outside PC, so that we can access the server from outside. Okay, and to perform destination net, VIP, and to protect the server from the outside network. So this is all about the topology. It's just connectivity, and which you can do it easily. Okay, however, I will share you the ready-made topology. You just need to import them. So let's go to our slide. So this is the IP schema I already mentioned. Internal LAN is 10.0.1, DMZ is 2 and 3, remote branch is 4, and similarly ISP1 and ISP2 is 1 2, the branch ISP1 2 is 3 4, and this is the main cloud which providing internet. In your case it will be different. Active Directory is 230, firewall is 200, and firewall 2 is 210. The domain name we will keep them test.local. You can change. We have two VLAN, VLAN 20 and VLAN 30. These are the images which we will use in the lab. FortiGate, the latest and updated version 7.6. Okay, Cisco switch for connectivity purpose. Windows 11, we are using Windows Server 2019 R2. We're gonna use for multiple WAN connectivity. As I explained, we're gonna use pfSense pre-configure. Client, we have client Windows 11 and also Linux Mint and Linux Kali we are also using. Web server, we have Linux Ubuntu, okay, 16.04. I already shared these images. These are the device credential. FortiGate has no password, only admin. Linux Kali is Kali. Linux Ubuntu is root. Windows 11 username is user and password test123. Similarly, Linux Mint is user and test123. pfSense is admin and pfSense. Windows Server 2019 is administrator and test123. So this is our main topology. Okay, that's it. This is all about our lab setup.